Today we are making not 1 or 2 but 10 amazing flavored lassi shots using these cute mini jars. To start with, take a bowl full of dahi, add sugar and a little water. Now just add your favorite flavors. So first up is my personal favorite, coffee. Berries are always a hit among kids. Next up is caramel lassi, which is actually super easy to make. Just add some caramel sauce with some butterscotch, and if you want the recipe for this yummy caramel sauce, let us know in the comments. Papaya and honey is perfect for your gut and skin. Nuts add that perfect crunch and flavor to your lassi. Have you heard of cream cheese lassi? Because trust me, you'll love this. Just mix some cream cheese with your lassi and pour over a biscuit base. Who doesn't love chocolate? Nothing gets better than the chill lassi and chocolate combo. Mango season is already here, and that definitely calls for some chill mango lassi. Mix some mango with chia seeds or basil seeds, and there you go. Lassi and RoohAfza is another great combo. Lastly, we have Paan Lassi, which is super refreshing. A blend of gulkand and cherry with lassi is the perfect way to end your dinner. A quick tip, you can also make pan flavored ice cream by freezing this. Would you like us to try out any other flavors? Let us know in the comments.